green peppers, onions and carrots, flowers for the bees and keep mosquitoes away, 2 different tomatoes, zucchini squash for the grill this summer. So, garden is planted and ready to go. Oh, and of course my tulips. So, those of you that have seen the Appalachian Trail art, it came off this maple tree. This tree was hit by lightning a few years back. Now, the woodpeckers have made it into a condo. I have ladderback and red-headed woodpeckers. They don't seem to be here right now. I've got to get my ladder and stuff out because the windstorm we had the other day took off the top of it, but Mr. Squirrel likes laying on it. He's trying to stay still. Go and have fun. Hike safe.